Now this should be all right now. Welcome back. We finished our whole variable section, and now we're gonna do some extra points from the book right here. So I'm just gonna switch to my tablet, and I'm here, and I'm gonna call this section bonus marks. Okay, the first one is saying the following. Create a macro to aid with reporting type errors. Okay, so first of all, let's get back to the drawing boards. I'm here. I'm gonna ask a couple of questions, my friend ChatGPT. What is a C macro? And give me a simple, I don't know, a simple example of it. Okay. A macro in C is a fragment of code that is given given a name. Whenever that name is used in the code, it's replaced by the contents of the macro by the C preprocessor before the program is compiled. This happens before the program is compiled. Macros are used to define constants, functions, or even blocks of code that can be reused in multiple places. Macros are defined using the define directive, and can be either simple, like defining a constant value, or parameterized. I don't know how to say this word. Parameterized, like defining a function macro. Okay, so what are the key points here? The key points are macros are replaced before the actual compilation process during the pre-processing phase. Macros do not perform type checking, which is a key difference from functions, and they are useful for constant or small function-like operations. Okay, so let me just see it. So this is how a macro is defined. We define a constant, which is p, also pi, using a macro. And we can define a method or a function like. Any tips regarding function like macros? What is there to be known? Okay. So what we will need to do is define another guy here. Another guy that's gonna work specifically with reporting type errors. Specifically with reporting type errors. Okay. So function like macros in C are a powerful tool. Some tips and tricks. Okay. Use parentheses around arguments. When defining function like macros, it's crucial to always wrap both the macro parameter and the entire macro body in parentheses. Okay, so this is I was looking at this and it looked funky to me, but this is the correct example here. What the hell is here? What's the second thing? Beware of side effects. Function-like macros do not evaluate arguments only once. This can lead to unintended side effects. If the arguments involve expressions with side effects like increments or function calls, example, problematic. Define this. Square a plus plus. Okay, so it expands like this. Okay, no type checking. I'm aware of this. Debugging is problematic. Okay. What prefer inline? This is the first time I'm hearing about inline functions. So Create a macro to aid specifically with reporting type errors. I already think I have expected. They cannot operate on non-number. Expected. Ah, no, this is one. It's the correct. So L assert. Too many. No, this is incorrect type error. So the question here is most probably just create a macro to report these types. But how should I do this? Incorrect file type, got this, expected this. Okay, 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 okay. But wait. Type. Wait. Where is it? Where is the method? Too many arguments. No, this is the correct syntax. So incorrect type passed. Expected this, got this. Let me just make sure I understood everything correctly. Can you please explain this snippet of C code? So this snippet defines a macro named lassert using the define directive. So I'm gonna take a different, I'm gonna call my macro define lassert type. It is a function like macro that checks a condition, cond, and if that condition is false, it generates an error message using formatted output and returns the error. Okay. So what arguments should I take? Do I need arguments at all? How is this function written? Do I even need arguments? I don't think I need arguments here. Okay. I'm thinking about the arguments I should provide, and I'm not sure whether I should provide this at all. Maybe because if condition is not, then I'm deleting it. Okay, maybe this is done. This is done because we need to manage memory. So my question here is, why did we provide this argument, which is basically, I think, under the hood when it's compiled is gonna be a Lisp value. Why have we provided here? And I just understood it. Most probably it's because if the condition doesn't apply, if it's not correct, we are just clearing it from the memory. So that might be the reason. That might be the reason here. Maybe I should increase this a tiny bit more. Maybe put an 18 here. Let me just take a look. Yeah, I want to make it more to have a better visibility to you, not to me. This is these are too big for me. Define lassert type. What do I want? What do I want here? What kinds? Back to the drawing boards. Open it. Here it is. I have a new. Yeah, I have a new wallpaper. Let me just unlock it. I need to at least while I'm streaming, I need to keep my tablet open at all times. Okay, so what are the possible arguments? It's a type error, so I need to provide the condition, the error message. No, the error message is returned. But wait, maybe I can call lassert from this. Right? Yeah, I can extend lassert. So if I'm gonna call lassert, I need to provide the arguments. This is gonna be the Lisp value. Yeah, because we need to clean it from the memory stack. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna provide this condition. And the format and all the other arguments. And these other arguments are related to the format. So if we put something like s, expected s, got s, the 3 dots are, I don't know, variable 1 and variable 2. Lassert type. Lassert arguments. I'm gonna call it here as well. Arguments. Now we need a condition, and the condition will be, what will be the condition? Where the hell are you? What is the condition here? Incorrect type passed. Expected this, got this. So the condition is this. So I need to check for type, and I need to get the element, the key. So it's gonna be the element, the expected type. What else? And I need the function name. Okay, function name. So I have the arguments. So I want the element to be equal to expected. In the case if it isn't, why is this? Function s, so this is gonna be our function. No, it's gonna be error s wait, maybe like this. Incorrect type this is the method. Got second one, expected third one. Now let's provide this. Just close this like this. Why is this one a string? Let me just check it. Yeah, I think this should be okay. I hope it's okay. Incorrect type error. Got this, expected this. So there. I should provide the function. I should provide the element. I should provide the expected. I'll type name element L type name expected. I think this is it. This seems like it might be it. Okay. No, let me. Where is it? Let me find for. Let me search for example to change. Just split it. Why is it not using the same IO Mirage? For some reason it's not using the same get variables. So what do I want here? What? No, I want to open it. How to open? In the terminal, how to open the whole file for viewing purposes, and it would be good if it had styles for code. But I will need to install this. But yeah, I don't have it. Do I have less? I do have less. Okay, I'm gonna keep it for now like this. Wait, I can open it with Vim. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this Vim read-only variables. Okay, now we have two of those guys. Amazing. So I wanted this. Does this get updated every time I change something? Let me just see. Load. Okay. Every time it changes, I need to reload it. It doesn't do this automatically. Makes sense. Makes sense. The native thinking of the old times. You need to check. You need to know. You need to be aware that something has changed, and if it's changed, then you can act on it. Because now we automatically get updates. If I shared my what's the name? My Samsung Notes between my phone and my tablet, and every time I change it on one device, it gives me a notification. Oh, something has changed. Here you need to, and it changes it automatically. Here you need to accept it. You need to be aware with an action button. So just a second. Let me get some water. I'm gonna be back in a second. Yeah. Back. So let's move it down. Move it down. Where do I have one of these? Incorrect type. Incorrect type. Okay, let's try. What was this? It's def. What kind of a method is this? Built-in. What other built-in methods do I have? Def. What is def even doing? I forgot about it. So it lets me define. Okay. Bit rusty on this one, I'm not gonna lie. I want something that I did myself. Built-in join here. Join. So what should join do? I hate this. How? Join 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Join will be right. Join will be right. This should be like this. Lassert type. What is the arguments? The A. What is the element? A cell I type. What is the expected one? Well, cool expression. And what is the function? Join, right? Variable. Why? It's CC, it's variables. Okay, let's run it. I changed, I added the new LSR type. So now join 1, 2, 3, 4. It works. But if I do join, I don't know, 1, 2, and this is gonna be a number. Incorrect type passed. But how is error join incorrect? It only triggered this message, which makes me think I didn't save this. Now let's do this again. Variables join 1, 2. I should create a test file because I don't want to write this anymore. I should create a test file. Why is it triggering? Because it's already returned. So if I remove all of this, and do this again, it might finally run for the good uncle here. So join. This works out of the box. Join. This won't work. Incorrect type error. Join. Got number expected Q expression. Nice. I'm just gonna change. I don't like text saying incorrect type number. I think we'll just say type error here. Type error. Really good. So let me just do another one, change another one, because it's incorrect type. Where are you? L assert type. L assert. Do I need to make it in uppercase? I need to make it in uppercase. L assert type. gonna copy this, maybe not the whole thing, maybe just this piece, and then the first argument, incorrect number of arguments. Wait, incorrect number of arguments. This is not the right one. This is the type one. Yeah. This is good. So I just realized I had completely different. Labels on the error messages. So instead of having the first argument stop the number, second argument stop the, I think all of them should be unified. And this is why this macro lassert underscore type is so good. So let me just change this as well. Can I remove this whole line? Yeah, I can. I'm just gonna no. I'm gonna do it here. Wait, can I paste it? I can. So what's the name of this method? It's cons. It's cell 0 type. And what do I want here? I want a number. Oops. Jank paste. I want the second one as well. The first one. This is gonna be a cool expression. Yeah, I think that's it. I can remove this. Wow. So if I build it, if I run it, built-in cons. It's cons. The first one should be a number. The second one should be like this. Yeah. Cons 2, 3, 3, 4. I should get the error that the first one. Cool expression. Nice. So here, got number expected Q expression. Amazing. So good. Okay. I think the first one is down. I would need to replace it on all the different positions. I'm gonna do this. I just want to start writing the second one. The second one says create a macro to aid with reporting argument counters. With argument count errors. Oops. I want here. Where else do I have incorrect types? The argument is not a Q expression, so this one as well. Init. What even is the init doing? So it asserts whether the first element is a Q expression. Then it takes the first cell and it deletes it. Okay. I'm just gonna paste here the lassert type one. I want the Q expression, and I want it against init, right? Yeah. I'm gonna remove this. We are reducing the complexity in these methods, we are basically encapsulating a lot of different, can I remove this? A lot of different logic. So a method that was, as I remember, really complex was reduced to only this, an assertion and the logic, and of course the return of the element. So let me just do this again. Variables. So what's it? It's init. How? 2, 3, 4, 5. I take the first element, so if I do init, it got number accepted to cool expression. Okay, 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 okay. I am providing a2 twice here, so maybe that's not maybe, the smartest implementation of this. Maybe. So, what's the next question? The first one is done. I just need to replace it. But where else do I have this? I have this in head most probably. Let me just copy this. The problem is I don't have time. I want to do this. Build it head. Right? This is not the right place. Ah, this is the right place. So what do I need? Oops. What do I need here? The same thing. The quick expression, the only difference will be the function name. This is the head. Okay. Where else? The tail? The tail as well. Let me just copy this. Incorrect type. Paste this. This is gonna be the tail. Tail. Okay, let's do the argument count errors. So argument count errors. What have I done? Save this. And here, how will we do this? How will we do this? We should add a new assertion here. This is our assertion. And it should more or less follow the structure of lassert type, because in the end, every do macro that we are gonna create is gonna call the regular lassert. So all of the child methods or macros should be similar in structure for possible extensions in the future or modifications. So what I should have here? What do I should have here? What should I have here? I should have define lassert count, maybe. I'm gonna take the arguments. I'm gonna take arguments, elements, and function, right? Lassert, I'm calling the same thing. I'm calling the arguments. I'm calling, I need a number as well. So I need a no. Should I, do I need a number here? What? maybe I should provide a condition directly. Let's see. Argument. I have the condition. Condition. And what will we have here? We'll have arg count error displays got this expected this. I'm just copying it from above. So what do I need here? Argument typed. So this is a function got args count expected none. So I need to change this a bit. So this is gonna be the condition and none. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. I think it's okay. Is it okay? Let's test it. Let's test it against built-in head. Too many arguments. Actually, this would fail if my argument count was if my argument count was 0. It would give an incorrect message because here it says too many arguments. What if I had 0 arguments? Could I even call this with 0 arguments? Head. It's a function. Head 1. So it works. If I need to type in head, it returns me a function. Okay. Fine by me. Okay. So this should be the part of the code where I should replace it. Replace the one with another. Too many arguments. So this should be load the file again. lassert count. Let's see how can I implement lassert count. Arguments is a. Condition is, what's the condition? Is a count equals 1. The number is 1. Oh, this is really bad. This is really bad. And the function is head. Sorry, head. I should change this. I don't need the condition here, right? I don't need the condition here. And also I also mistyped condition. So what should it be here? Args count is equal to num, right? Yeah, this is how it should look like. So instead of, I need to reload just to remind myself how this looks. So I have arguments. The arguments are here. A is the argument. I need the number, so I can remove this whole part, and I have the function. And then I can just remove this. Wow. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Variables. Head 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Please. Error. Had too many arguments, got too expected one. Error. Wow. What does it say? What? Why? What have I done? Error had too many arguments. Yeah, I want to remove this. I saved it. Maybe I need to build it again. Head 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, segmentation dump. Why? Why? Because no, it's not because that. So what am I asserting? I'm asserting that the argument count is equal to none. So function, I have the function here. I have the argument count, and I have the number. L assert. No, I need it in uppercase. L assert count. This should be okay. It's wait, right. It's but let me rebuild it. It's arguments. It's here. It's the number. It's here, and it's the method. Head. It's here. A count equals to number to 1. Let's do this again. Head 1, 2, 3, 4. Head 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's again. Why? Why is the segmentation dump? You must be fucking kidding me. I forgot a closing brace here at the end. Wait. Here? No, I didn't. No, I think this is okay. Why is function? Okay, let me just do some 5, 3. Should I close it? Was this the issue the whole time? Variables. Head 1, 2, 3. I should definitely create some scripts for testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of fucking why? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. This is the condition. So can I just say true here? Wait, no. No, 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 no. The condition will be three is equal to 5. No. Let's rebuild it. Why? Why? What's this here? What's the last one? The last one is the format, so I don't need it. I don't need this number here. Okay. Variables. Head 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Why? This works. But this one doesn't. And it has the same, almost the same structure. Like, what the hell? L assert count the arguments. I have it. The number. Okay, the function. So maybe it fails here. It has the condition and it has the format. It must be fucking kidding me. It must be fucking kidding me. This is the error. It's definitely the error. If it doesn't work right now, I don't know. I'm gonna. I don't want to say anything stupid. Yeah. Got 3 expected. Got 5 expected 3. So got args count and expected the num. And here I want to args count equal to num. Save this guy. Clear. Four, 5. Got 3 expected 1. Okay. Wow. So what's the next question? Let's see. Here it says, create a macro to aid specifically with reporting empty error lists. I mean, I'm already well aware of how to create macros and how to use this macro to create some that are more specific. I don't know if I would want to do this. Let me just switch here. So let's keep this for now. Huh. Create a macro to aid specifically with reporting empty error lists. Okay. Let's do this one as well. Create a macro to aid with empty list errors. First things first, let's take a look at built-in head. Okay, this is the most default, the most neutral function here. Past and empty object. Yes, we're gonna fix this, but at the same time, let me just fix the tail as well. So we can remove, what can I do here? I can, well, I set count, the same thing, I provide the argument plus 1 and the tail method. Remove this, save it. Sorry guys, I was just thinking out loud. So the third one should be create a macro thread with empty list errors. So what should I provide? I should provide function title, right? I should provide the argument, and I should provide maybe I should provide the condition directly, like I did here. Maybe not. Yeah, I think we need the function, the arguments. Let's start not empty. Okay, let's do this one as well. Let's do this one as well. Define lassert not empty. What do I have? Arguments, and I will have now arguments, and I'm gonna have function. So how will this work? It's gonna take lassert arguments. Condition will be arguments count different than 0. This is gonna be it, and I'm gonna say here not empty error. This is the place. Passed an empty object. Okay, close it. So what do I need? The only thing I need is the function here, function. But it's not a string function, it's a function like this. Load this again. Let's go to the built-in head. No, built-in head. Here is gonna be lassert not empty. Okay, so this is, I think I can pass the condition directly, so I'm gonna do this. and I'm gonna pass this count. It's gonna be head. So it's gonna be the arguments, it's gonna be the length. Okay. So it's gonna be arguments, and I'm gonna take care. I'm gonna say length and the function. So length should be different than 0. Save this. Load this again. Awesome. Not empty. You're here. So I need to rebuild this, and I'm running it, and I'm running. Ah shit! I need to remove this as well. Okay. Save this. Rebuild it again. Run it. Head. Maybe like this. Error empty. Why is it saying here this? Why does it say if I say head head 2, this error prefix? Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Because of this. So I can remove this completely and save it again. Rebuild it. Then head should only be empty error head. Head 2 should only be this. Built-in tail. Let's do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy this piece of code from head, remove these ugly 2-liners, paste the same code here, with the only difference being that it should trigger the tail. And save it. Nice. Okay, so the next question says, the following. Oops, how many times? How many times? What's the time here? 1 hour in. 1 hour in, exactly 1 hour in. It's like I have a I have a feeling for when 1 hour hits, so I can close the stream. But I won't do this now. I want to finish these a couple of these bonus marks. So the next one says change printing a built-in function. Printing a built-in function so it prints its name. So it prints its name. Okay. What I assume is being asked from us here is the following. When I type in head, I get this function label. But what I want is to print the name of the function. So let me just search where we do this. We do this here. For the function, we print the function. what is the name of this function? What's the name of this function? And why is this here? It should be here, right? And why is this one here and it should be here? So it says here I should print the function. So instead of a function here, it should be function, I don't know, colon head or tail or whatever. But what do I have here? Do I have the name of it? I don't think I have the name in the V. Lol. No, it's not lol, it's built-in print. Wait, let me search. For function. So it's here, lol print. This is how I print a Lisp value. Do I have the name of the function in an object here? Lol function. So this is the type. L built-in fun. I have the function here. How can I do this? I mean, it sounds simple, and it is simple, most probably. But how do I do this? Built-in list. So if I do plus, it's a function. Multiplication, it's a function. What should I do here? So this is the Lisp value. It has a type, it has a function, possible function. In case if it is a function, do I have a constructor for this? L built-in. So this is a definition of it. Type func L built-in. Change printing of a built-in function so that prints its name. This is the built-in type. The built-in type is this. It returns a Lisp value. It's a function that returns a Lisp value and takes these two guys. L built-in function. Okay, let's debug it. I have no idea I have no idea how to do this. Get gdb variables. Okay, bracket line 512 and run. Okay, so this happens even before if I print name, it's list. But if I print the function, yeah, it's a built-in list function. What if I print e? Print e does have a count or something. No, I don't want to exit it. I want to search for L and V. Where's the next one? Is there a type L and V? L and V, so there it is. E count, right? It's gonna be 0. Yeah, it's the first element we are adding. But this still doesn't explain how I can do this here. Print a function. So it's... Do I know what type of a function it is? I don't think I know. Maybe I do know. Wait. Where is the function? Where did I create the function? Here. So this is the name of the function. Maybe I could add the symbol to the function. So this function will, this Lisp value will also have the symbol. And if it has a symbol, what does this mean? I could take it out. Or maybe I could just add the function name here. So car function name and I'm also gonna provide the name here. Oh wait, I can't do this. So I should go to this line, closing this, saving this, going to 512, it's here. And I'm gonna provide the name as well. Func name. Then I'm searching for this. I'm gonna say here v is gonna be fun name. This is gonna be a character pointer. It's gonna be called name. Let me save this. And now let me save this. So will this work? I have no idea. What I added is a new property here, which I'm not sure if I should have added it, to be honest. But I added a new property. Then once we create the built-in, we also provide a property name to it. So now when we do function here, function s, and it's gonna be v fun name. This is gonna break. This is gonna break so much. No, it didn't. What? Head. Function standard input. Why? Why is it standard input here? What? Fun name. Fun name. Fun name. Okay, let me just let me consult with the guru here. What? I don't want to do anything. Fun name. Why is this snippet of code? No. No! Ah, I hate when I don't finish. I wanted to ask why this snippet of code prints out. It should print out function. Okay, let's see. The reason why this code prints this likely has to do with how the function is defined and how the fun name field is set. There are several potential incorrect initialization of fun name. Anonymous or built-in functions. So let us search for the constructor here. Name. Ah, I need to assign. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. So I need to assign fun name. I need to assign the length of the name. And then copy fun name to be the name. And then I can remove this line, save it. Why? Why is it empty? What? What? What is happening here? Wait. What have I done here? So I did assign here the size of name, and then I copied this name into the function name. This should be it. No. If I save this, I'm already doing this second try. No, it doesn't work. Wow. Wow. I messed something up really, really badly. Why is it? Why is my code structured like this? Okay, the function name should be what? Because it's a character pointer, I should assign some value to it. I should assign some memory size to it. 128. It's here. Malloc. So I'm assigning what? String length name +1, and then string copy fun name. Oops. And then if I search function, this should work. This should work. Plus, why am I getting no idea what's happening here. Why is this here? Shouldn't this be part of a method? What's this? Oh, this is the copy method. But why isn't that? What? Why are? Okay, something is bad here. Let me undo all of my changes. mean, there are still. Have I typed in something that did this? Okay. I'm gonna take a break. We are 1 hour and 20 minutes in. I'm really gonna need to take a break for now, but I'm gonna continue the stream. So the next one, we are gonna continue with the bonus marks. I really want to do this. This seems like a fun challenge. But for now,